watching the News Hour Special Edition.
In response to the controversial Dharm Sansad held in Haridwar, a Muslim group, Ittihad-e Millat Council, called a meet in Bareilly. But instead of calming down temperatures, Maulana Taqi Raza Khan was seen whipping up passions by inciting people. Viewers, Maulana warned Hindus and said, if we rise, you can't even hide. While there was massive outrage and anger over Dharm Sansad in Haridwar, the question is, where are the secularists today? Why is there selective outrage in calling out hate?
मैं देखता हूं मेरे नौजवानों के दिलों में कितना गुस्सा पनप रहा है। मैं डरता हूं उस वक्त से जिस दिन मेरे नौजवान मुझे गुस्सा फूल पड़ा, जिस दिन मेरा नौजवान मेरे कंट्रोल से बाहर आ गया, जिस दिन मेरा कंट्रोल इन नौजवानों पर से खत्म हो गया। मुझसे बहुत लोग कहते हैं ये तुम तो बोलते हो गए, तुम तो कुछ करना ही नहीं चाहते, लेकिन मैं कहता हूँ कि पहले मैं मरूंगा, बाद में दोबारा नहीं मरूंगा। नौजवान कानून अपने हाथ में ले लेगा। हाँ, वीडियो हो गई कंप्लीट हो गई। जिस दिन ये नौजवान कानून हो गया और कानून अपने हाथ में लेने पर मजबूर हो गया, तो तुम्हें हिंदुस्तान में कहीं पनाह नहीं मिलेगी।
देखिए, मौलाना साहब की जो शब्दावली है वो आपत्तिजनक भी है और दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण भी है। वो भूल गए कि वो कहाँ रह रहे हैं। ये पाकिस्तान नहीं है, ये हिंदुस्तान है और इस तरह की शब्दावली इस देश में स्वीकार नहीं की जाएगी। निश्चित रूप से मौलाना के खिलाफ देशद्रोह का मुकदमा चलना चाहिए और वो यदि इस तरह की विघटन की बातें करेंगे तो उनको इस देश में रहने का अधिकार नहीं है। ये केवल और केवल देश को तोड़ने और उन धार्मिक उन्माद फैलाने की उनकी षड्यंत्र है, जिसको इस देश में स्वीकार नहीं किया जाएगा।
Let me open this up. Binay Singh, political analyst, Asif Sohail also with us, political analyst. Good evening to both of you. Asif Sohail Sahab, let me begin by asking you, what action should be taken against this Maulana who said what he has said?
Yeah, I just want to convey this through your channel. Like, Islam is a religion of peace, you know. In Islam, there is no hatred, no violence. Whatever he said is own statement. But see, this kind of statements from the BJP, RSS, or from him, you know, that is divide the India. So, you know, this kind of statement should not, you know, come up on this in the public, and as well as, you know, the government should take a stand on this, because what all happened because of this earlier, the genocide summit, this is the retaliation of it. You know, whenever, you know...
okay, so you're justifying this. This is a retaliation. वो करेंगे, हम भी करेंगे.
देखिए, जस्टिफाई मैं वो नहीं कह रहा हूँ, यू आर टेकिंग इट इन रॉन्ग वे. मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ कि जब देखिए, अगर ये किस्म के स्टेटमेंट एक तरफ से पहले बताए गए जो इन जेनोसाइड समिट, उसका एक रिप्लाई इन्होंने दिया है. देयर इज ए
Sir, that's the problem, Asif Sohail. You see, you know, it is this mindset कि ये आपको अभी भी reply लग रहा है. You think this is not hate. What happened in Haridwar was hate. People called it out. Times Now called it out, sir. We demanded action. We demanded action in Chhattisgarh. We do not tolerate hate. Hate is hate, period. That has always been our stand on Times Now. But you think this is retaliation.
Can you answer me that? What government has taken on the genocide summit? Only one person has been booked. What about the other people? There were hundreds of people there in the meeting.
Mr. Sohail, you haven't done your research. I don't think you've seen the kind of coverage we've done and demanded action. I asked you a simple question. What action should be taken against Maulana Taqi? And you said, ये retaliation है. You see, this is in response to what was said in Haridwar.
See, मैं मुल्क के प्रधानमंत्री, Home Minister.
Sir, you have to take a principal stand, which you are not taking. Binay Singh, why is this selective outrage over hate?
Look, what Maulana Taqi Raza has said, there are provisions in the IPC. 153 is there, 505 IPC is there to deal with such kind of situation. But why he said is important. This is not the first time Maulana Taqi Raza made such a statement. He has a history of that. In 2007, he spoke against Taslima Nasreen, and he put a reward of 5 lakh rupees if somebody chops her head. And again in 2010, he was arrested because he instigated riot between Hindus and Muslims. And once again, this is not the first time in Bareilly what he did. A few years back in Bareilly, he said that the Hindu women, they have 5 husbands and they don't know that who is the father of their child. So he has a history of that. And why he has said that is very clear. And what he has said, there are provisions to deal with in the IPC of the Indian Constitution. And I think the police must register a case and he must be arrested immediately. No one should be allowed to go free after making such a statement. And what my friend is saying, he's trying to justify what Raja said, it was just a reaction. So on one hand, you are saying that Islam is a religion
sir,
of peace,
you are also
and on the other hand, you are countering your own statement.
You are also reacting.
It is very simple. Why don't you criticize?
Okay, now I'll make it easier. I'll make it easier for you. Asif Sohail, I'll make it easier for you. Binay Singh, you've slammed Mr. Raza's bigotry, hate rant against Hindus. Now take a stand and show Mr. Asif Sohail that you don't stand with hate speech that was spewed in Haridwar.
What I
Haridwar,
want to
sir,
say, that
even the
anyone-
Yogi Adityanath, and he spoke.
Let him respond. Mr. Sohail, let him respond.
That's what. It's not in one occasion. The minority community has been targeted in a number of occasions. It's not the first time. So
Okay, so as a result, Mr. Tawqir Raza, no.
Act of BJP and RSS.
But Mr. Sohail, so as a result, you are saying Maulana ji said what he said and he is right because ये तो retaliation है.
Sir, who is left then? If he is right, what about the left then? You're not talking about the number of occasions. I'm saying the BJP and RSS have spoke hatred about the Muslim women. In हर एक के लिए मुसलमानों के लिए इतना जहर उगला है.
बस आसिफ सोहेल साहब वही तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ. हेट इज हेट. अगर हरिद्वार में जो हुआ वो हेट है, सबने बोला एक्शन लेना चाहिए, गलत हुआ नहीं बोलना चाहिए. वही सवाल मैंने आपसे पूछा था, लेकिन आपने उसको जस्टिफाई करने के लिए कह दिया कि देखिए इतना हमारे बारे में बोला जाता है.
प्राउड इंडियन. I will stand for my country. I'll stand for Indian. I will stand for my community.
Great.
जो भी हो, या मौलाना बोलो या
let's stand for peace.
RSS बोलो.
Let's peace. No. Let's stand for peace. Let's take a principled stand today, and I want you to condemn every word that Maulana Tawqir has said.
Condemn every word those spoke against the community. Those who spoke against dividing the Hindu-Muslim and dividing the India, whether it's RSS, BJP or Maulana. I strongly condemn.
Great. Now, do you believe these statements are made because of the election season in Uttar Pradesh?
Ittihad-e-Millat Council is a political party. And in 2016, they were able to get, in the 16th Vidhan Sabha elections, they were able to manage a seat. So it is definitely for the purpose of the election. They want to instigate, they want to get more votes. And you know, I am surprised that he was the one who was making this statement. And there were thousands of people that were cheering up. What that does mean. And anyone, either it was in Haridwar or either it is Maulana, if they are violating they are coming in the preview of IPC 153 and 505, the law must take its own course. Nobody should be allowed to make this divisive kind of statement. Nobody should be allowed.
Sir, if you remember, Yogi Adityanath once said कि मुसलमान जो सो मुल्क का नाम खराब कर रहे हैं, जहां भी जाते हैं उनको दहशतगर्द की नजर से देखते हैं. What about that? उन्होंने कहा कई बार marry 100 Muslim women and destroy them. काफी बहू लाओ बेटी बचाओ. There is lot of campaigns they have run. उसके बारे में आप लोग कभी नहीं बात करते. One Maulana.
Okay, sir, I don't know about Mr. Binay Singh, but on Times Now there is zero tolerance for hate, sir. And I am glad you've taken a position. You've put peace first. You've condemned what happened in Bareilly, and Binay Singh has taken a position against the hate speech in Haridwar. On that note, we are taking a short break. Please stay on with us.
The News Hour Special Edition will be right back after this break.